In front of me is Poco X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to tap on Apps. Then hit Dual Apps here, click Create, and tap on grey switcher next to an app you wish to clone, or select one of the recommended ones to click on the switcher here. In case of the recommended ones, when it's done, you can also adjust all of those options by clicking on the chosen one and tapping on one of the options in the pop-up. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!